Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. To Sir Ahmed Nur Kadir. My name is Nik Muhammad Muhaimin bin Nik Abdul Aziz, and these are my other group mates, which are Muhammad Nabil Aiman bin Azhar, Husna Nabia binti Muhammad Nur, and Nur Fasiha binti Zulkifli. And today we are going to presenting about our group assignment case study, which is Ministry of Health Malaysia.
Today we would like to talk about the Ministry of Health Malaysia website, or we call it as MOH or KKM in short forms. So the first topic that we will like to share is the background of the website. And first question is who is the authority of the website? The website are handled fully by Ministry of Health Malaysia, and on the management can update or alter the information in the website, and user can use all the features given in the website without needed information, or just only if you want to give a feedback, you have to register yourself in the space that has been provided by the KKM itself. So next is what's the purpose of the website. The purpose of the website is to provide information to the others. The information can be reliable to people believe, because it came from the official Ministry of Health Malaysia account. So it can spread awareness among citizens of Malaysia about the health issues, especially in this pandemic COVID-19 season, that they have to be extra careful if there is any cases in their areas. So next is the website has been created on. The website created in 2005 after the establishment of the hospital, and it makes it easier to close with the other people, because this is a modern technologies that the easiest way to connect with the people and to spread information about health issues and the activities or program that created by health agency. So next, where's to locate the website? To locate information, user can go to the official page of Ministry of Health Malaysia. They can copy the link www.moh.gov.my and then paste the link in the search engine of Google, and it will bring you to the official page lah. And then you also can use the QR code scanner. You just scan and automatically bring you to the official page of Ministry of Health Malaysia website. So next question is why there are symbol of W3C. So first of all, I would like to tell you the symbol basic in coding world. So HTML symbol entities a variety of mathematical, technological and currency symbol and do not appear on an ordinary keyboard. You may use the entity name or entity numbers for the symbol in order to add certain symbol to your HTML document. So KKM website use the W3C symbol as the symbol to disability person to access the information in the website. So there are three main target kind of disability person. So first is visually impaired users. So the user can install the page reader and they can good to use the information in the website. So next is colorblind user. For colorblind user, there are several color options available in the space above each page of MOH website. A user can choose colors from the selection given, and normally red, blue and green. The color of MOH template will change immediately after the selection is made. So it made them easier to track the information that needed by them. So last is elderly users. MOH website provide a choice of different text size. The text size options are displayed in the upper column of each page of the MOH website. So user can choose whether to pick a larger or smaller text size as is chosen by them. So next is how frequently updated the information in the website. So the website are frequently updated in order to keep up to date information to users. So user can see the latest news in the social media Ministry of Health Malaysia, that you can find the symbol of their social media in the right space at the website. So you can just press the button and it will bring you to the official account of Ministry of Health Malaysia. So that's all for the backgrounds of the website. So next is
My Assalamualaikum. So I am going to present for this slide, which is nature business of the website. Okay, so the function of the website is to facilitate and enable the people to ensure a high quality health system and also to improving the health of Malaysia. Okay, so first is to facilitate and enable the people. Okay, so it is about knowing the important information that are related to health and especially COVID-19. It is also to achieve their full potential in health by providing healthcare tips and ways to prevent COVID-19 so that the community is aware of their responsibilities and positive actions for their health. Okay, so next is to ensure a high quality health system, which is prioritize customers, being fair, not burdensome, and also efficient and more. And the third is improving the health of Malaysia, which is efficient policy formulas, as well as monitoring services provided by various health agencies, and also a role in helping individuals to achieve a good standard of health so that they can lead a productive economic and social life. Also provide the effective prevention, treatment, and rehabilitation services with a focus of the less fortunate. Okay, so next is specific timing of the website can be used. Actually, there is no specific time to visit this website because this website is also a facility for the community. So people can open this website by any time, especially to find out more information about health and also information about COVID-19. And the target audience for this website is all communities can open this website. This is because, as already mentioned, the existence of this KKM website is intended for the use of the public, especially Malaysians in obtaining important information about health and to know the current situation about COVID-19. And the Malaysians can also find out how to get a specialist treatment at existing government and non-citizens. I mean, like government hospitals, which groups can get a discount on hospital bills, how much is the charge for citizens and non-citizens, and many more interesting information that KKM has provided on their own website. Okay, so next is website accessing. So the KKM website can be accessed through Google as well as the application established by the KKM, which is My Health application. We are also advised to install others applications that have been established by KKM, such as My Sejahtera and My Trace, because these two applications help Malaysians in monitoring the transmission of the COVID-19 epidemic in the country by empowering the citizens of users to concern about their own health and current pandemic virus in Malaysia. So here are the logos of the applications that KKM has made, which is My Sejahtera, My Health, and also My Trace. The benefits of this website to the community is, as we know, this KKM website aims to provide the facilities to Malaysians to obtain the health information as well as the current situation of COVID-19. With the existence of the information, surely many Malaysians will use this website to find out more about the currency situation and issues that are related to health and other information that has been provided by the KKM. So in addition, this website also helps all citizens in knowing the information of government hospitals near them, and the KKM also creates online services such as e-complaints or questions, healthy eating applications, online appointments, and more.
Okay, on this slide we will be discussing about US and UI. What is US and what is UI? US stands for User Experience, where US is responsible in managing and creating a design that is practical and meaningful for users. On the other hand, UI or User Interface is a space where interactions occur between humans and machines that allow them smoother operations and control over the machines. Alright, audience of Ministry of Health website is for general audience, where people are able to obtain the information through its website with the help of internet access. A special feature was built within the website where disabled people can have access over the website without any difficulties. For example, there's features of changing contrast, font size, and colors of the fonts and entire page. Next, the placement of content within the website. Users are overwhelmed with a lot of information that are in the homepage. For example, repeating Facebook page was mentioned 2 times in a row, and at the right side of the page, it is not an ideal place to place the logo of different social media available at the place. Instead, the creator of the website can place it at the bottom of the page. The elements in the page really have an irritating feeling as they are mostly at the inconvenient place. Like the previous slide, it is need not to be created or placed at such place. Instead, the creator of the page can substitute it with different approach or improvise it a little bit more. As a conclusion, for the user experience and user interface or UX and UI, we will suggesting that it is the appropriate time to revise the website to a user-friendly website, or Ministry of Health can hire more capable web developer to do the job.
The next slide is I am going to explain about the color scheme use of this website, which is white, light blue, and black. As we can see, KM website does not use too many color schemes and only use 3 color schemes. Namely, the background of their website is colored in white, and the navigation of the website is colored in light blue. And also the color of the writing used in the website is all black and color in red, the bold color, to make it easier for users to read the info of the website more clearly and easily to understand. Okay, so next is users attraction. Okay, so the colors used in the website can help to attract the users of the website. This is because the colors used on the website are mostly basic colors such as black and white, and also help users to easily understand how to use the website. They also make the website looks more aesthetic, attractive, and neat. In addition, the users also do not have eye pain because the colors used are bright and safe for the eyes. Okay, next is color positions and functions. Okay, so white. For the background color of the KKM website is white. This shows that the website is simple but neat. With a white background, the website looks tidy and users are more comfortable with the use of such a colored background. The color white also symbolizes a security, where it has to do with the theme of the KM website, which is health and care, where they created the website for the sake of health and safety for the Malaysians. Okay, next is blue. The color blue is used in their navigation. This is to make it easier for users to click what they want to see, know, and read. Besides, the blue color that they used is not too bright. They use light blue so that it matches the background of the website and looks more beautiful. And the color blue can reflect such as safety, trust, and it is in line with the KKM. And the last color is black. The third color that they use is black. The black color used is for the entire text by using black. But as we know, by using the black color, users can find it easier to read every piece of information. And text in every sentences also looks so neat and eye-catching. And most of the text is also bolded so that it looks bright and easy to read. And here is the conclusion for this segment. The color scheme also plays a big role in the website. Color plays an important role in the success of enterprise marketing and branding processes. That is why choosing colors, including for a website, is not an easy process and can be done in no time. So choosing a website color combination that matches the brand personality is a must, and hopefully the customers will be easier to recognize and remember your product or our company if the consistency is maintained. We also need to know that a person's color references can change with increasing age. For example, as in the KKM website, if you see that target audience does not count age, so they use light colors that are liked by all ages of users and eye-catching. Thank you.
It's navigation of the website's topic. So on a web page, a navigation bar is user interface features that includes a link to other parts of the website. So the navigation bar is the important aspect of design of websites. The first question that I would like to ask in the navigation bar of the website is who is the person that use navigation. Basically, is most of the person that use the navigation tools in the website is users. User have to use navigation tool to guide them toward the information they need without wasting their time. So next is, what is the navigation tools in the website? The navigation tool has been provided in the website is one, the home page, info, corporate, directory, publishing, careers, and archive. So next is, question is why there's many links connected in each other. in one navigation tool. So there is too much information that we need to understand, because the location of the information also not systematic. For example, the history of Ministry of Health put in the corporate info, so it's been hard for me to find at first the backgrounds of the Ministry of Health because the location is not strategic to put it on. So next, other example, when you have to find the directory of division, it will link to other section, and when you press the management, it will show all the management in Ministry of Health, and you have to find it yourself, the Ministry of that you need to find about, and that time you will find the information you need. Supposedly, when the use of navigation bar is have to take a short time, but it's not in the website. Next is when use navigation tools, there is problem. So there's one problem that I face is when we press the publication navigation tool and then press the COVID-19 and then guideline and press the guideline again, and you will find the website full with the COVID-19 issue, but there is no button to turning back into the home page of website Ministry of Health. So it been quite hard to users that use mobile phone for searching the information in Ministry of Health Malaysia. So I hope the owner of the website will fix the sooner the problem to make easier to locate the information need. So next is where the location of navigation bar. The user can find the navigation tools at the top of each page as a horizontal list of links. So it may be below the header, but the main content of the website is still put before it. So in Ministry of Health Malaysia website, user can find the navigation at the top page below the header, and it is easily to be seen the location of navigation bar, because in the top other navigation tool linked to website located at the left side of website of Ministry of Health, whereas there is social media button. So next is how to improve the website. Last but not least, there is several things to improve the website in Ministry of Health. I suggest they need to divide the categories clearly, and these categories must be clear and visually identify if navigation includes several parts, categories or subcategories. In other words, category heading, even though the categories themselves are linked, must be visually distinguished from the subcategories. Next, ensure the search feature works. So the search result page must always show relevant result when using and inside search features. Lastly, make all linkable. So make sure the user can easily back to the home page of official of Ministry of Health without face any problem. So that's all from navigation of the website topic. So next.
Okay, for this slide, we will explaining about the content of Ministry of Health website. The overall content of website containing the health information, specific information for specific visitors such as public or for businesses or for the staff of Ministry of Health, social media of Ministry of Health such as Facebook and Twitters, and information that can be located in the menu bar, whereby the audience that Ministry of Health targeting are vast array of people that have internet access that are available at their places. The website was updated from day to day as it contains crucial information that users wanted to see, especially about COVID-19, that was recently became an issue not only to the country but over the world. Not only official website, but Ministry of Health also available through Facebook, Twitter and Instagrams to keep in touch with citizens of Malaysia regarding health info. Other than the social media, also available are My Health, that is like an e-news, and My Sejahtera that was recently created through the collaboration between Malaysian National Council and Ministry of Health. The main objective of the creation of the website are to help people achieving certain health standards that Ministry of Health have told about, and giving out any information or news or articles or many more through the website to the citizens of Malaysia. The content that are in the website are accurate and trustworthy, but from the placement and comprehensiveness, it still needs to be improvised for easier viewing. This is because people tend to attain information fast and accurate. Thus, making the website easier to view is a crucial point need to be considered by Ministry of Health.
Okay, now I'm going to explain about the additional information of the website. Who invented application related to the MOH? So as we can see, Ministry of Health Malaysia, the one who introduced and invented the application to the, in order to ease user and the government to keep track on people, because nowadays because due to the COVID-19 pandemic nowadays, the health organization created the application to ensure everyone will stay safe, and they can keep track on them, and also they can take action to them immediately if like if anyone got infected by the virus. Let's say if someone got infected by the virus, the government or the health organization will immediately take action on that person. It will keep us stay safe and anywhere and any place. And for me, I think it is quite good and it's very useful for us to use it in our daily lives. Even sometimes we feel like tired or annoyed because every time we go anywhere, we go any place, we have to open the application. But for sure, it is useful and very good for you for us to use it nowadays due to the COVID-19 pandemic. Okay. So other application related to the MOH, we have My Sejahtera, we have My Health, and we have National Heart Institute of Malaysia. So for My Health, if I'm not mistaken, it was invented by MOH to keep track and record of citizen by scanning the QR code to the place that have we visited. As we can see that we use My Sejahtera in our daily life, in our nowadays, because due to the COVID-19, we have to use My Sejahtera to scan at every place to check our health status. That's why we use My Sejahtera, the application of My Sejahtera. Okay, for the My Health is the application is to give information regarding the health issues and news by creating article and post in the website. It's more to give information about the COVID-19, about the latest information, about the health information to us. And then for the National Heart Institute of Malaysia, it is a website that was created specifically for adult and pediatric heart patients, where they are given information and news regarding cardiovascular matters. It is same like the health, the My Health application, but it is more to the adults and pediatric heart patients, where the information about the certain things are given. That's about the National Heart Institute of Malaysia. Okay, when My Sejahtera was introduced, My Sejahtera was introduced in May 2020 to prevent COVID-19 outbreaks. This is the first action taken by the Malaysia National Security Council and Health Ministry of Health Malaysia to manage pandemics and all citizens of Malaysia due to this COVID-19 pandemic. Until this day, it's currently used by everyone in the of the citizens to track their health status and the pandemic COVID-19 around them. And meanwhile, for the My Health, it is still update, where the last update was on 11 December. It is about the when My Sejahtera was introduced. So where to download the application? The My Sejahtera apps can be downloaded at Google Play Store or App Store. And if people cannot find the application on the App Store and the Google Play Store, they can directly search at the Google, and it will bring you to the website of the My Sejahtera. Okay, for the how to use the application. To use the application, user have to open the application first and follow the guideline and instruction given by apps. given by the apps. For My Sejahtera, we have to register it first, and give the detail, and then we can use it usually. And there are sites which we have to click to scan the QR code at the place where we going, and then to show your health status. And it is same like other application where we have to register it first, and then we can use it normally. That's all about the additional information of the website. Thank you.